Hey, mister. Oh, since I'm positive you haven't lifted a paw today, guarding various fuel cans, would you like some feather dustering and some dinner? I thought so. Hi? Where you at? Oh, sweet boy. Hi. See that's rototilled in the middle? Did you check my shorts page today, Bobby? And see I made you a big litter box? Hi. Sweet boy. Oh. What would you like for dinner? Would you like some kibble and wet food and some cream? That is a lovely choice. Come here. Give him a good face, Bobby. Hey, sweet boy. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. What a cute boy.